Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing another tech unboxing. So this is part of our cheap tech collection. This is from Five Below that I got for $5. Let's get straight into it. So here's the box. It's made by Room to Go. It's app control smart light. It's called a Lumin Plus. It's about 6.5 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide. It's a circle. Looks kind of like a candle. So if we switch the camera around here, you can see that they've got color change options, brightness, adjustability. So I think the app is called Happy Lighting that you have to download. To get my knife here, I can get my knife here and I can open both sides, just like that. So we can pull out this tab, pull it up, and open. So here's the box all open, and it says inside, Lumin Smart Light. Let's take that out. Pull this up. And now we can pull this out and look at how cool that looks. It's this nice wood finish with this button at the bottom that you can press. So it's got 3 places in here where you can plug in batteries. It looks like they take 3 AAA. Let's go in here with this nice wood finish. It's not USB capable, at least I don't think so. Okay, so I got my 3 AAA batteries right here, and we are going to put this upside down. One in there. One here. And one in there. Okay, so we're going to go on the iPad, and we're going to search. Okay, so we're going to go to the search bar up here, and we're going to type in Happy Lighting. It is now downloaded, and let's open it up. Okay, so here's the app, and here is the actual thing itself. So if I click this button, it should turn on, and it looks super cool already. It's changing colors and flashing, and I should be able to use the app right here, as you can see, and change the brightness and make it really bright and go all around. It's doing all these different colors. It looks super cool. So let's turn off the lights and let's see how it looks. Look at that. That is so cool in the dark. I love the way that this looks. It shines really bright. It looks really nice in your room. You can use it as a night light. You can put it in your bathroom, put it on your desk. It just looks really cool as a gaming light. And the fact that you can get on your tablet or phone or whatever and choose the color you want to match your gaming setup is just so cool. So for $5, I definitely recommend it. Batteries are not included, but you can go get those at Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the super cool little desk lamp light for the amazing price of just $5. So thank you guys for watching, and this has been Gadget Candy, checking out some sweet, cheap tech. So hope you guys enjoyed this great video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!